Hello guys, welcome to my new tutorial. In this tutorial I will be showing you how to password protect your folders. So what we're going to do is go to description, go to my Discord server and go to links for videos tab or channel, and there you will see this command which you needed. So copy that and paste it here. Go to file, save as, and select all files and name it passwords, or you can file protection, file protection.bat, you can name it, it doesn't matter, and save it. Then you're going to make a new folder like sample, open it and put this here, right click it and here. This is new folder created automatically, private. So what we're going to do is edit this, and if not, and this your password, and type your password. I typed it and save it. You can put like for example this folder and click it again and type and enter. Y, and you need to type Y or N. So yeah, there is yes or no. Okay, so and enter password. I 1 2 3 4 I set and click enter, and here you can access this. And yeah, that is it guys for this tutorial. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below, and please like, share and subscribe, and I will see you next time.